Hey guys, so I'm watching the recent episode of Uthando Nesithembu, and I think I just heard Musamselewu asking his daughter Umpilo to carry a child for him and his wife Umakhumalo. Now I'm asking myself, what is Musamselewu really asking in here? Look guys, I'm probably being dramatic, but what I heard was Musamselewu saying that Mpilo khulelwa ingane yami noma wakho. Oh, and obvious mangabe esho njalo ingane phela ingane kaMusamselewu no Makhumalo futhi loyo usisi noma ubhuti kaMpilo. So umselewu uthini? Uthi uMpilo wakhe khulelwe usisi wakhe noma ubhuti wakhe. Guys, can someone comment down in the comment section achaze ukuthi what was Musamselewu really trying to ask ingane, because I'm really confused, and I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Okay, nayi episode I'm catching up here, and Musamselewu uthatha ingane yakhe uMpilo, Mpilo enginaMakhumalo. Thatha uMpilo hambisa kwi-dinner, and the main purpose of that dinner was ukuthi atshele uMpilo noma ambonise ukuthi he loves her and everything, because uthi there's this misconception that yena ingane zakhe zamantombazana akazithandi, he's more focused on ingane zabafana and he's not giving more responsibilities to ingane zakhe zamantombazana. Now he is giving a responsibility to Umpilo, and the responsibility that he's giving to Umpilo is a responsibility yokuthi akhulelwe ingane kaMakhumalo. Now I'm asking myself, uma ngabe Musamselewu uMpilo wakhwela ingane kaMakhumalo, usho moso ukuthi lo ngane kaMakhumalo kuzobe kuyingane kakho Mselewu. Usho uma ngabe ingane kaMselewu, obviously usisi noma ubhuti kabani kaMpilo. So I'm really confused. Ikhala lami piteni ukuthi what is really, look, how is he planning this whole thing to work? Izosebenza kanjani? Does it mean ukuthi manje uMakhumalo will donate angazi ukuthi ini yakhe, then Musamselewu donate his sperms bazithathe basifake uMpilo, then uMpilo akhulele leyo ngane leyo kusisi wakhe? Hey guys, even the thought of this, like, I understand that Musamselewu was not asking him to sleep with Umpilo, but even the thought ukuthi uzodonate izinto zakhe, donate izinto zikaMakhumalo ifakwe enganeni, ingane uthi yo, this was wild, you know. And I noticed that no one was talking about it on social media mostly because everyone is excited by the fact that Umakhumalo is now the mbogodo of the group. But guys, hey, this is extreme. This is yo. And another thing that I noticed about this episode is that Musamselewu is one ingane zakhe, you know. Engakhulumi lutho about the pregnancy and everything Umpilo already showed no interest kuleya dinner leyana. I remember at some point he asked Musamselewu ukuthi baba sheshisa izinto zakho because I'm late, mina ngifuna uyolala ngikhathele ngifuna emsebenzini. Musamselewu was like, okay. And then even before that, uMacele had already told us ukuthi lo mfana lo uLwandle is no longer staying eMzumbe and akasahlala naseSiphathi. Spend most of his time ehlala kaMacele le ezingolweni. So I'm asking myself ukuthi how is it possible that a boy child uthanda kuboka ama wakhe more than kubo, and even worse kubo nezulu eyiwayo? So mina as a boy child, noma kuthiwa ngizongangana nobaba wami, mina bengizothi hey timer, it's fine, ngizoba mina ngohlala ekhaya ngikade ekhaya and make sure that everything's operational, ukuthi ihamba kahle. Ngivele ngisuke ngiyohlala kuboka ama wami while umuze ekhaya uwa. Angeke guys, cabanga ngongefani impela. And I'm understanding that labafana laba abancane nabo uMphumelelo, because uMusamselewu also told us ukuthi uMphumelelo udonsa ngamakhala uma wakhe umenzisa noma yena afuna yenze. As a result ungene phakathi kwabo now abasezwani, and kusukela kudala uMphumelelo was so affectionate with Musamselewu, like ubemthanda lokho angempela. So I'm understanding ukuthi ingaba uMusamselewu yini la yenza wrong, le yenza ingane zakhe zonke ezingamfuni. So I don't know guys, do comment down in the comment section, share your thoughts, share your opinions about this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even now with TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.